All right, so 5 minutes, right? Ignite talks really prove that time is relative. Right. So let me tell you what I think that why the dev something ops is really wrong way of thinking. Very often we can see in many organizations that DevOps people, let's say DevOps engineer, I hate this term, but anyway, are treated all as a one-man orchestra, and this is kind of problem on the organization part. Or we treat ourselves as people somewhere in the bunker, not going outside, etc., etc., and that's the problem with us, right? That's me. My name is Paweł Piwosz. I am DevOps Institute Ambassador, also CD Foundation Ambassador and AWS Community Builder, but I will not talk about AWS today, fortunately for you. So what is DevOps? Well, it's not engineering stuff only. It's not the role, it's not the position, it's the mixture of the culture, improvements, collaboration, learnings, and generally this is the mindset, right? So having that, all of us know this beautiful loop, right? So let's try to find out where we can put something like DevSecOps, right? Many of us heard that. Maybe DevTestOps or DevQaOps, or maybe even DevMonOps from monitoring. Right? I heard that. Maybe DevTestSecOps. Right? Right. Let's try. Do we put security here? Maybe here, or maybe here. Right? If this is too complicated, maybe we'll try with test. So do we put tests here or here or maybe here? And what about TestSec then? It will cover a couple of elements here. Right? What about monitoring? Do we monitor on the monitoring part only? Right? Maybe we can try differently. Let's put security, let's put testing, let's put monitoring here. Make this any sense? I'm not sure. Not for me, right? Why? Because it really doesn't fit here. And what about AIOps, right? What we create? We create something like that, or maybe like that. So the question is what we really think about this, because it doesn't sound good, right? We have a lot of things between dev and ops, even no ops. So that's really no code, no ops, no money, no problem, right? So maybe we should create something like that. Dev, test, monsec, plan, deployment, build, DevRelOps. Or maybe let's make it simpler, because this is impossible to say, right? Maybe we should create something like the full stack ops. And is this the solution? Right? I think that with this, we miss something. We miss something important about DevOps, right? Because when we take this loop, and we should put the security on top of that. The whole loop should be the focus for the security. The same for testing. The same for the monitoring. Right? So here, what I really like to create is more something what I call DevOps Protospace, right? When we don't need this stuff, dev something ops, because those parts here, culture, development, QA, operations, processes, this is very important, and security are part of the DevOps, right? And this is let's say the center of our way of thinking, how we should think about DevOps, right? So that's my point of view. If you find this controversial, then perfect. We can talk about this later, because I will have another session here. So I'll be happy to discuss this with you. So that's all from my side, and I have like 3 seconds left.
Thank you, Pavel, with 3 seconds left on the clock. Thank you so much.
Beautifully done. One of the things, like, you know, it's not the first time to listen to you speak, Pawel. It was a pleasure to have you on the podcast, and you're kind of an MVP of this conference as well. You have a keynote, a track talk, and a lightning talk, I think, or was it an interactive? But one of the things that I love about your work is that you take things that we think that we all know and we've all talked about, and you present them with a unique point of view, and you use the word point of view in your closing, and it's really, really wonderful to see how you bring a different point of view to the things that we're all working on, and you create a lot of conversations, I believe.
That's the idea, you know, because DevOps is also about the culture, which we very often forget, right? And in this culture, we should provide the platform to exchange thoughts, exchange ideas, because this is the, you know, the fuel for going forward.
Yep. Excellent. Thank you again, Pawel.
Pavel.
Hi, we're from EPICO, the proud organizer of the DevOps Conference.
Our goal is to uncover cutting-edge talks, emerging ideas, and DevOps trends, providing a global forum for practitioners and decision-makers to learn and grow.
We would love to also explore how we can help you excel in DevOps together. Visit us at epico.com and enjoy the inspiring talks at the DevOps Conference.